This is for you guys who don't live in the vicinity of where the Hurricane Irene, also the namesake of my daughter. My daughter's middle name is Irene, so this is her wrath. And just to be clear, the hurricane hasn't really reached us yet. We live in central Virginia, and this is what's happened so far. This is our front porch, and mind you, all this stuff was, you know, stacked neatly in a thing. My grandmother's wheelchair, you know, stuff just, it's crazy. Branch is down, power's flickering. I'm sure you can hear the wind. See the wind even. I'll come out about every hour or so and do some kind of update, so y'all will get to see every little stage. Let me see if I can zoom in here some. No, not in the middle of videoing. Let me get out a little farther. Okay, here we go. And what's crazy is the hurricane hadn't even hit us yet. This is just like the outskirts. And stuff is just... Yeah, it was pretty devastating. Nearly this bad. The wind chimes sound pretty though. That huge tree right next to our house is a very old pecan tree. You can see it right there. The trunk. I mean, it was literally right next to our house. That scares the bejeebies out of me. I hope to God it stays standing when the actual hurricane hits. Because if not, our house will probably be in too. Loving this. I'm just hoping and praying that no damage or human life is lost during this massive storm. But I know the destruction is just going to be out of this world. It's literally trying to blow me over now. So I'm going to go back inside. This is U.S. Agent Pink signing off. See you soon. I will update you again in 30 minutes to an hour. Thanks for watching. Blessed be. I hope everyone stays